In this video, we're going to address distortions in your audio. The simplest way to determine if you are having a signal problem or a possible TV issue, we're going to access the settings menu and go into all settings. We're going to access the support tab. Then we're going to access additional settings. In this, we have a sound test. Once you activate the sound test, if you have an external sound system that is active, this sound test will turn on the internal speakers and will turn off the external sound and have an audio signal that defaults to 20 for our audio settings. If your audio is clear, you can even adjust the volume down if you wish. If your audio is clear here, then check your sound system or your source device for possible distortion. If you do still have distortion, you can always select no. There's your model number, your software version, and your serial number. Before you call customer service, please ensure that you have the latest firmware and software version, which we go back to our customer settings, go into support, go under software update, and then we want to check for updates. It will take a few minutes for this to complete, checking to see if there is an update available. If there is an update available, please download the update and restart the television and check and see if you still have a sound problem.